as I take on the challenge of transforming my trading skills from beginner to pro in just 1 week. Trading is often misunderstood as a game of luck or a get-rich-quick scheme, but the truth is, it requires skill, patience, and a solid understanding of the markets. Many people are drawn to trading because of its potential for profit. And it's true, successful traders can make a significant income. However, it's not easy, and it certainly isn't a guaranteed way to make money. As a beginner, one of the biggest challenges you'll face is the lack of knowledge. Trading involves understanding complex concepts like technical analysis, market trends, and risk management. Without a solid foundation, it's easy to get lost and make costly mistakes. Emotional decision-making is another common pitfall. Fear and greed can drive impulsive decisions that often lead to losses. Market volatility is another major challenge. The markets can be unpredictable, and even experienced traders can struggle to adapt to sudden changes. This is why it's essential to stay informed and adjust your strategy accordingly. A lack of discipline and a failure to stick to a trading plan are also common mistakes that can lead to losses. The good news is that with the right approach, anyone can become a successful trader. By educating yourself and developing a solid strategy, you can overcome the challenges and achieve your goals. A key part of this is risk management. This involves setting clear limits on your trades, managing your leverage, and being prepared for potential losses. Technical analysis is another essential tool for traders. This involves studying charts and patterns to identify trends and make informed decisions. A trading plan is also crucial, as it helps you stay focused and avoid impulsive decisions. Your plan should outline your goals, risk tolerance, and strategy, and serve as a guide for your trading activities. One powerful trading tip that has proven effective for professional traders is to focus on the process, not just the profits. This means setting realistic goals, being patient, and continually evaluating and improving your strategy. By doing so, you can build a sustainable trading business that generates consistent returns. Many traders get caught up in trying to make quick profits, but this approach often leads to burnout and disappointment. The impact of this mindset shift can't be overstated. By prioritizing the process, you can develop a more balanced and sustainable approach to trading. Professional traders often emphasize the importance of continuous learning and improvement. This involves staying up to date with market news, refining your strategy, and learning from your mistakes. In addition to focusing on the process, professional traders also stress the importance of maintaining a trading journal. This helps you track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and refine your strategy over time. A trading journal can be a powerful tool for optimizing your trading performance. To recap, successful trading requires a combination of knowledge, strategy, and discipline. By understanding the challenges and developing a solid approach, you can overcome the obstacles and achieve your goals. If you've had any experiences with trading, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. If you're interested in taking your trading skills to the next level, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my next video.